To participate in trading on Roblox, both players involved need to meet certain requirements. Membership. Both players must have an active Roblox Premium membership. Privacy settings. Trading must be enabled in your account settings. To do this, go to Account Settings Privacy and make sure the Who Can Trade With Me option is turned on. Region. Trading is not available for users located in South Korea. How to create a new trade. Find a player. Go to the profile page of the player you want to trade with. Click the More button. On their profile page, click the three dots, More, in the upper right corner of the profile box. Select Trade Items. From the drop-down menu, select Trade Items. Building your offer. Once the trade window opens, you'll see inventories for both you and the other player. Your offer. Select the items you want to give away. Your request. Choose the items you want to receive from the other player. Adding Robux to a trade. You can include Robux in a trade to sweeten the deal, but there are some rules to keep in mind. Transaction fee. A 30% fee is removed from any Robux you add once the trade is accepted. Robux cap. The amount of Robux you add cannot exceed 50% of the value of the items you're offering after the transaction fee. For example, if the item you're offering is worth 300 Robux, you cannot add more than 150 Robux to the trade after the fee. Final steps. Before you submit the trade, make sure to review your offer carefully. Once the trade is completed, it cannot be undone. Be absolutely sure you're happy with the exchange before proceeding. When you're ready, click the Make Offer button. A confirmation pop-up will appear, and once you confirm, the other player will be notified